Next point is types of the sets. Types of the set means first set is empty set. Empty set, a set which does not contain any element is called an empty set, or void set or null set. It is denoted by this type of the brackets or phi. This is the empty set. Empty set means the set which have no element. Second point is singleton set. Singleton set means a set consists of a single element is called a singleton set. Let x is equal to only 2 is the element is given, so it is the singleton set. Next point is finite and infinite set. A set which consists of a finite number of elements is called the finite set. Otherwise the set is called an infinite set. मतलब ऐसा सेट कि जिसमें एलिमेंट काउंटेबल हो उसको हम फाइनाइट सेट बोलते हैं, और जो जिस सेट के एलिमेंट काउंटेबल है उसको हम इनफाइनाइट सेट बोल सकते हैं. इक्वल सेट. Equal set, two sets A and B are said to be the equal set if every element of A is also an element of B, or vice versa, that is two equal sets will have exactly the same element. Let A be the set in which the 1 to 3 element belongs, and B be the other set in which the 2 3 1 belongs. So we are seeing that in the element which belongs to set A is the same element belong to set B, therefore set A is equal to set B. Next point is equivalent set. Two finite set A and B are said to be the equal if the number of the elements are equal, that is Na is equal to Nb. For example, let A be the 1 2 3 and B be the x y z. So in this case we are seeing that the number of elements in the set should be equal to the number of elements in set B. It is not compulsory there will be the same element in set A and B. Therefore A and B are the equivalent set. Subset, इसका मतलब इक्विवेलेंट सेट मीन्स कि उसमें नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट सेम होना चाहिए, कोई ज़रूरी नहीं है कि दोनों में एलिमेंट सेम हो. Subset, a set A is said to be a subset of set B if every element of a set A belongs to set B. B in symbol we write A is the subset of B. If X is the element of A, this implies that X is the element of B. A set is said to be a subset of set B if every element of a set A belongs to set B. In symbol we write A is the subset of B, and if X is the element of A implies that X is the element of B. We can understand with example. Let A is equal to 1 2 and B is equal to 1 2 3 4. Therefore set, since the element of set A, since the each element of the set A belongs to the element of set B, therefore A is the subset of B. But you cannot say कि B is the subset of A, since each element of B does not belong to A. Therefore B is not the subset of A. इट मीन्स ए के सभी एलिमेंट बी में बिलोंग्स तो कर रहे हैं, लेकिन बी के सभी एलिमेंट ए में बिलोंग नहीं करते हैं. ए के सभी एलिमेंट बी में बिलोंग कर रहे हैं, इसलिए हम कह सकते हैं कि ए द सबसेट ऑफ बी. लेकिन बी के सभी एलिमेंट ए में बिलोंग नहीं कर रहे हैं, इसलिए हम ये नहीं कह सकते हैं कि बी इज ऑल्सो सबसेट ऑफ ए. सो वी कैन राइट इट बी इज नॉट द सबसेट ऑफ ए. नोट, if every set is a subset of itself, every set is a subset of itself. And second point is the empty set is a subset of every set. empty set सभी का सबसेट होता है, और सभी सेट every set is the subset of itself, मतलब कि सभी सेट जो अपने का सबसेट होता है. The total number of subset of a finite set containing n element is 2 power n. मतलब कि नंबर ऑफ सबसेट कितने बनेंगे So we can understand with example. Let A is equal to 1, 2, 3. There are the 3 elements. So if you are simplifying to power 3, then you get the 8 element. The 8 element, that will be the, there will be the 8 subset. That is the 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 5. So this is the subset of set A. Next point is interval as subset of real number. Interval means you have to write the, if x lies between the A and B, so you can write it in the open bracket or open interval A B, and if x lies between, x is greater equal to A and less than B, so you have to write this type. This is the close bracket from A and open bracket from B, and if x is greater equal to A and x less equal to B, then we have to write it close bracket A to A and B. So this is the how you represent a real number on in the interval form. Power set. Power set, the collection of all subset of a set is called the power set. Power set, the collection of all subset, the collection of all subset, the collection of all subset of a set A is called the power set. Set of A, it is denoted by PA. Let A be the set in which there are the two elements 1 and 2. So therefore subset of A are 1, 2, 1, 2 and 5. So there will be the power set of A. This is the 1, 2, 1, 2 and 5. So these are the 4 set belongs to set. These are the 4 subset. 4 subset belong to power set of A. It means a collection of subset of set is known as the power set. Universal set. Universal set. Universal set. Universal set, a set that contains all the set in a given context is called the universal set. Universal set मतलब एक बड़ा सा सेट जो सभी सेट को कंटेन कर ले. That is the universal set. Let by with the example we can understand. Let A is equal to 1, 2, and this is the U is equal to U. This is the universal set, symbol of the universal set. Or this is also written this type of the symbol 1, 2, 3 dash something. So it means कि this is the universal set which contain the set A. Next point is Venn diagrams. Venn diagram are the diagram which represent the relationship between the set. In the Venn diagram, the universal set U is represented by point, ठीक है, within a rectangle, and its subset are represented by point is closed curve, usually circle, within the rectangle. वेन डायग्राम में हम किसी सेट जो रेक्टेंगल के फॉर्म लिखते हैं, दिस इज द यूनिवर्सल सेट, और कोई सेट ए है जिसको हम एक सर्कल के फॉर्म में रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, तो उसको, तो जितने भी सेट होते हैं उसको हम सर्कल के फॉर्म में रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज ऑपरेशन ऑफ द सेट. Operation of the set. First point is union of the sets. The union of two sets A and B denoted by A union B is the set of all those elements which are either A or in B or are in both A and B. Thus A union B is equal to X such that X is the element of A or X is the element of B. Let A be the 1, 2, 3 and B is equal to 2, 3, 4. So then A union B, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. मीन्स यूनियन ऑफ सेट में क्या करते हैं कि अगर मैं दो सेट है ए और बी, तो ए और ए यूनियन बी बनाते समय हम ये क्या करेंगे कि दोनों सेट के एलिमेंट को हम एक ब्रैकेट में क्लोज करेंगे, लेकिन हम किसी एलिमेंट को रिपीट नहीं करेंगे. तो दैट इज द ए यूनियन बी. next point is intersection of the set. Intersection of the set, the intersection of the two sets A and B denoted by A intersection B is the set of all elements which are common to both the A and B. Mathematically we write it A intersection B is equal to x such that x is the element of A and x is the element of B. मतलब हम इंटरसेक्शन के केस में हम एंड लिखते हैं और यूनियन के केस में यहाँ पे आर लिखते हैं. तो ए इंटरसेक्शन बी, लेट let A be the set in which the 1 to 3 belongs and set be the other set in which the 2 3 4 belongs. So A intersection B, we have to find the only common element. We have to write the only the common element. The common element represent the intersection of the set A and B. So that is the 2 3. A intersection B is equal to 2 2 3.